Hello and welcome. Very good morning. You're watching Mirror Now. I'm Afrida Rahman Ali. We're going to get you all the updates from the state of Uttar Pradesh. There are some big ground inputs coming in from Hathras. Let's bring in the breaking news first. Hathras District Magistrate Praveen Kumar Lashkar has issued a statement on behalf of the Hathras victims' family, saying that the victims' family does not want politics and they are satisfied with the police action. So that's the latest we are getting at this point. Let me go across to Alok. But before that, let's listen in to Praveen Kumar, the DM of Hathras, speaking to Mirror Now. Let's listen in.
जो पीड़ित के पिता है और जो परिजन है, उन्होंने कल स्टेटमेंट भी दिया है कि हम प्रशासन द्वारा जो कार्रवाई की गई है उससे पूर्णतः संतुष्ट है और उन्होंने स्वयं ये अपील की है कि इस मामले में अब किसी प्रकार की राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए। मेडिकल रिपोर्ट मैंने देखी है और उसका जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है वो फाइनल ऑब्जर्वेशन ये है कि एफएसएल की जांच के लिए भेजा गया है और एफएसएल की जांच के बाद ही ये प्रूव हो पाएगा कि उसमें उनका रेप हुआ था या नहीं हुआ था। हमारे यहाँ पे मैं बता दूँ धारा 144 लगी हुई है और 5 से अधिक व्यक्तियों को इकट्ठा होने की हम अनुमति नहीं दे रहे हैं और हम उसका स्ट्रिक्टली कंप्लायंस करेंगे।
My colleague Alok Singh is right there in Hathras getting us all the input. So Alok, since morning, quite a few updates coming in from your end, especially on the tension that is on ground, and apparently there's some cases filed against people for creating public nuisance. And secondly, this statement from the DM of Hathras. Over to you for the latest from ground, please.
Well, Afrida, Section 144 has been imposed in all across Hathras district. But what the DM has said, he has just spoken about that there is the problematic situation. The family members are not wanting that the issue should be politicized, and that's why the media restriction is there. And in fact, not only that, DM. In fact, when we talk to the senior officers who are deployed over here, they also said they gave another reason that SIT members are here and there is the possibility of corona spread. That is why the media is not allowed. So different persons and different version of both the administration side, whether it's police and also from the district magistrate. So what we will say that once at one side, media has been restricted and restriction is that media is not allowed to meet the family members, and on the behalf of family members, the DM of this particular district is releasing the statement that family doesn't want the media to come and to report the matter or to politicize the issue. So this is what the the situation and the condition of the Uttar Pradesh administration is, especially Hathras administration. In fact, I would just like to show you what's all happening around. This is the place, this is the road which is going towards the village of the girl, and here you can see complete barricading. Media cannot, in fact, go towards that side on foot. And here on the other side, there are the media persons who are all reporting from here only, because they are not allowed to go there to that side. And this is the main road. This is Agra Hathras road, and this is Hathras highway. So from this place, around 2 kilometers away, the village is located, where the girl used to live. So this is what the situation is, and nobody, no police personnel who is deployed here. They are in fact speaking what is the reason that media is not allowed to go inside. However, the senior officers are just maintaining there is the corona problem, and the SIT members are there. They are investigating the case. They does not want any kind of crowding during the time of investigation. So all these claims which are given by the administration. Back to you.
Okay. Okay, we also heard that the DM has said that no political leader should come in at this time after reports that certain Congress leaders were planning to visit the victim's family. Stay with us, Alok. The other important point which you raised is that the SIT team has arrived in Hathras. They have started the investigation. A 3-member SIT is at Hathras village to interact and talk to the victim's family. This is the second visit of the team, which has been asked to submit a report within the next 7 days. The team is likely to record statements from the family members today. even as the team is in UP village for the probe. Section 144 has been imposed. The cops have blocked the media from entering into Hathras, and of course, like you just heard, Alok, they're showing us how the barricades have been created. So Alok, coming back to you on this, the other important point is there is now a clear statement coming from the DM that firstly, media is denied access, and secondly, for any kind of political leader to arrive there, even that is being restrained.
Well, yes, absolutely. In fact, there are more police personnel are now being deployed. Here you can see these are more policemen have been called, and there more arrangement is being made. So definitely, because Section 144 is imposed, political parties have in fact told to the media that they may come to meet the family members, but these are basically the representatives of the society. If the political parties are coming to meet the family, what is the problem for the administration is? That is what the question arises here. But here you can see this is the arrangement. This is being made. This is fresh visuals that we are showing to our viewers, that this is the huge big police force now being arrived here, and they are being deployed. So there might be some information that some kiosk may happen, and there is the information that some political party leaders may arrive here. That's why this all arrangement is being done. So we are asking question, media is asking question, raising question on the way the whole issue was dealt by the police. So this is the reason that all is being done. Back to you.
Okay, so other than the DM, the SP has also said that we have received information that political leaders want to visit. We request them not to come now. The victims' parents have given in writing about their satisfaction with the government's compensation. Remember, a 25 lakh compensation have been given to the victim's family, and also a job to one of the family members. So the government there going all out to pacify the family members on one hand, and on the other, of course, the SIT team is there to record statements. Alok will continue to report from ground on the latest on the Hathras rape case. Thanks for joining us for now.